Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Notepad can follow the system theme. That usually requires current Windows 10 updates and the store version of Notepad. First, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Colors. Once there, set the overall theme to dark and set the default app mode to dark so modern apps inherit the palette. Doing this changes App Chrome and backgrounds. It's the simplest, supported path to get Notepad into dark colors without hacks. Once done, close Notepad and update the app if a store update exists. The updated Notepad honors system themes. Then sign out and sign back in, or restart File Explorer to force UI refresh. That ensures the app picks up the new color resources. If Notepad still appears light, Windows may be running an older Win32 build. Updating Windows itself often resolves that. Make sure you restart rather than only closing Windows, so resource caches reload correctly. To finish, verify Notepad shows dark UI. If it does not, you can set the user registry key apps use light theme to 0 at hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/current version/themes/personalize, and then restart. This forces universal apps into dark mode. Make sure to back up the registry first. As a safe alternative, install Notepad++ and choose a dark theme there. If problems persist, update Windows, sign out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.